Welcome back to day 6 of the Notary Income Challenge, where I am sharing my income, expenses, and appointment types every single day in the month of May so that we can tally up how much I'm making in my notary business. And that's in my notary business only. That is not any other income and any other businesses that I have or any other endeavors or jobs or whatever I pick up. This is strictly notary business. Why am I doing this? Well, I've done this for the past 3 years to provide some transparency, to provide some education, to provide some motivation for those of you that are wanting to understand exactly what entails some of this notary business stuff. So I wanted to do this to provide some clarification and give you guys an idea of what's going on in my notary business and how much you can potentially make as a notary business owner. All right, so we are in May 2025. Today is day 6. So it is May 6th, 2025. I went into today expecting to not have any appointments and any income because, for one, I'm teaching 2 classes at our Signature Success mentorship community, and 2, I was planning on doing a few workout classes today and just doing a little bit of self-care. Now, in the midst of teaching today, I did get a phone call, and this client was in desperate need for me to do an apostille order for him. So I'm here to report my one appointment for today, May 6th, 2025. And so just like before, I'm gonna go through it. I have it right here. I'll print it out for you. All right, so today's appointment, one sole appointment went as this. I had one apostille appointment. It was for a power of attorney. This gentleman needed it done for a real estate transaction in Switzerland. So the total charge was $375. My expenses for this were, there were no mobile fee, so he came to office, $0 there. There's a state fee when you apply for an apostille, so that's $15. I paid my courier $65. I had $20 shipping fee. And so my total expenses for this apostille appointment was $100. This appointment, he was in the office for about 20 minutes because he wanted to give me the backstory of this $2 million estate in Switzerland that he's giving power of attorney over. And he just had a lot of things to talk about, and I let him talk about it. So usually what would take maybe 5-10 minutes turned into 20 minutes today, and that's fine. He was a really cool guy, and I learned a little bit about Switzerland in between time, in the meantime. All right, so my total income today was $375. My total profit today was $275, and of course, duration spent on notary appointments was that 20 minutes. And that's it. That's the only income I have for today. I did not accept any other appointments. Actually, my calendar is blocked, so no one can make any appointments. I just happened to accept his call today and told him he could come in. That's it. So hopefully this was beneficial to you. This helped you. Not every day is going to be a $500, $600, $700, $1,000 day. It's just not that way. However, I do have a lot of days that look like that. Some days are zero and some days are today like $200 or $300, and that's fine with me. That's the beauty of being a notary business owner. I really enjoy the flexibility. I really enjoy the time that I can get back to do whatever I need to do for myself and for my kids. I hope that this video provided some clarity for you, some value for you. If it did, just let me know in the comments. Hey Amber, I like this video. Keep doing more. I like it. Share more. Or if you have a question, let me know down below so that I can get that answer to you. If you're ready to get started and add apostille services to your notary business, I'm happy to be that support and that guidance for you. We have our training at Notary Training Hub, as well as the Apostille Connection community, where you also can get support there from me and other apostille agents. I'll see you guys later. Happy stamping.